My name is Carolyn Hudson. I've been with Menzies for about 8 years now as a reporting systems manager. We offer all kinds of services such as baggage handling, aircraft refueling, de-icing, passenger assistance, all of those kinds of things. Before we used OneStream, we were using HFM, but we were on an old version. It was out of support. We needed something that was being developed, improved, grown, would be able to cope with our growing business as well. We wanted something that our users would find easy to move to. OneStream ticked all of those boxes. With OneStream's unified platform, we're using it for close and consolidation, we're using it for IFRS 16, we use it for cash flow forecasting, we have our budget and forecasting there. The benefits we received in terms of the close process was we pretty much have shaved a day off. We were looking at 3 hours for a full year force consolidation before in HFM, and that dropped down to about 20 minutes for a full year. And then we went live with the Lease solution in March 2023. So now the users have to maintain their own leases. For some of them, there are thousands of leases, so it could feel like a massive task, but the Lease solution's really easy to use. We never had the leases baked into our budgets and forecasts because it was just a group finance function and they didn't really have the detail to be able to do that. So now it's just part of our normal budget and forecast process. Before, we had manual processes around minority interest, joint ventures and associates, equity accounting, that kind of thing. Our Consolidation actually runs all that for us and does the constant currency for us as well. Because of OneStream's unified network, it's really easy to go and get additional solutions. There's no logging off and going off to a different system. You don't have to go anywhere else other than your main homepage or change your workflow. It's just seamless, really.